Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have smashed my Voyage Beneath the Sea stash. In a video, last month, maybe 2 months ago, I made a mini album using the Voyage Beneath the Sea. I think I picked it up from Graphic 45 in one of their sales. You should always check their clearance sections because they have some great prices on their clearance items. After I made the mini album, my intention is to use up a collection. Once I've opened it, use it up until it's gone. But I had a bunch of other things coming up, so I never got back to it, but I finally did. So I saw a video from Pink Strawberries that she made these cute little boxes, and I have been obsessed with them. These are the 7th and 8th boxes I've made. So let me show you. It opens up, and I made a little pocket from just one of the just some border strips that I had. Nothing fancy because I was almost out of paper. I just had little pieces of paper, but this is a great project for small pieces because you use less than 1 inch strips on here. The little book box, well, I don't know what you call it, little drawer box measures 3 by 3. So you use a 3 by 11.5 piece of paper to make the cover, and then about a 4 7/8 by 5 to make the drawer. Although I have been cheating and making them a little smaller because my paper tends to get it really thick, and so I made it smaller. So yeah, I had a cut apart, so I put it inside, added paper to the inside and the outside of the box. You know what? I have this piece left over. Should I put it this way or this way? I don't know. But anyhow, I'll do that next. But there is one. Let me show you this one because this one I thought was fun. So that was a little bit of a cut apart. The bottom I had to cut off. I think it was like a 3 by 4 cut apart, or it might have been even the full mermaid. But I had this Wonder chipboard element from the chipboard sheet, and all I had was this and one other one. So I was able to use that. Inside, I just put some paper there, made a little pocket from a border strip, took one of these stamps that was left over from the collection and put it in there. Now, it's got a drawer, and so in the drawer, I made a little mini album. So this was the other little chipboard element that I had. And when I say a little mini album, what is this? 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 with a 3/4 inch spine. To make it, I just took 2 pieces of paper. The yellow one was 5 1/4, and I scored it at 2 1/2. What did I score it at? 2 1/4. Wait. No, I was right. 2 1/2 and 2 7/8. It was how tall? 2 1/2 tall. And then I took another piece and scored it at about 2 5/8 and 2 3/4. So, I mean, sorry, not great measurements, but just sort of like the stack the deck binding method. So anyhow, here's the front page. I added just this to the front page. Here's the second page. This I added to it. It was just a border strip that I had. I had 2 stickers that matched, so I put one on the front and one on the back. This was a sticker, so I put that there. You can journal on there and add a photo to here. And then I had a piece. I used up all the rest of my scraps. I had this. I just folded a little bit, added a sticker here, made a little tuck spot there, and fussy cut one of those fish, made a little tuck spot there. Just had a little scrap of paper left at that point in time, and I tucked that into the fish. There's the back page, and then here I just made a pocket, and I had another one of those stamps and put it there. So that is what I made using the last of my scraps from my Voyage Beneath the Sea paper that was from Graphic 45. I'll try to link the video of the big mini album that I made. Big mini album, that's a contradiction of terms. But anyhow, it was a lot of fun. I had it in my stash. I bought it just because it had a great price, and I was like, I don't know if I'll ever use this. And I took it out and said, you know what, this is the time I'm going to use it. And I was happy with it. So anyhow, cute little tutorial from Pink Strawberries on how to make these little book boxes. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.